Okay, welcome back to phonics. Today our objective is reading words with the digraph SH. So here is our phonics card with the digraph SH. So I'm going to do it first, and then we'll do it together, and then you'll do it on your own. So this card we say like SH shall sh. Do it with me. SH shall sh. One more time. SH shall sh. And do it on your own. Nice job. So now we're going to watch this video with Jack Hartman, and it's all about words with the digraph SH. So I will let you play that, and then we will move on. Okay, so like we always do in our phonics lessons, we're going to blend these words. So remember, it's a digraph with two letters that make one sound. So when we see the SH, we know it's one sound. So I will do it, and then you will do it. Sh, ship. And your turn. Good. Next word. Shaw, shop. And notice how those SH, the two letters, are making one sound and sticking together. Shred. Your turn. Nice job. And SH can also go at the end of words, like in this word. Wish. You hear the SH at the end. You do this one. Good. And like this word. Dish. Your turn. So now I want you to type a word that either starts with SH or ends with SH. Remember, SH makes the sh sound. Nice job. So now this is your must do. You're going to read the words and take the highlight tool, find all the words that have the SH digraph and color in those boxes. Your should do is this SH worksheet that you will get on paper. So you read the sentences, put a circle around the SH words, and then read and answer the questions. And your aspire to do is to read Shoes, the Sound of SH book on Epic. Nice job.